I end up getting some chicken wings as an appetizer. Then I got some salmon as my entree. See how this goes. Oh, it's hot. They're not breaded. I'm having to wait till these cool off. So this is my salmon, and I got some risotto, and I also got a baked potato. I know they don't match, but the risotto is pretty fancy. That's good. Thank you.
Are you on the salmon?
Yeah, a little bit. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, let me say my grace. Thank you. I am good to go, but I ordered a brownie and some ice cream. It's my first time eating today, so it's probably gonna be, I'll probably eat a snack for the rest of the day, but he boxed up my food to go, so I'll probably eat that later. But I'm gonna eat this brownie and ice cream. Oh, this looks so good. Oh my gosh, thank you, Jesus. That brownie is hot. So good. I would come here just for this. So good. Groceries for Aaliyah again. She got a new dorm room, so getting her some groceries. Today I got some sushi from HEB. This is my first time getting this one. I usually get that one. So I'm gonna see how this one goes. And I gotta clean up my place, so I'm gonna take it out with me today. And I gotta do my hair. So I'll see y'all later. Hey y'all. I'm headed to get my hair cut into a bob. I installed this morning, and I'm just gonna have her cut it into a bob. It's so hot out here. Oh my gosh. So yeah, I'll see y'all when I get back. So here's my final look. She did a good job with the cut. It's moving, bouncing. And Aaliyah came up here. Look at her. Oh, I needed some workout shoes. Mine are just beat up, so I got some workout shoes. Those are cute. I didn't even come look at over here. It's been over a month since I've been to the gym. This is how I'm looking. I'm still sexy. Trust me, I'm still sexy. But I need to tighten up real bad. And I got me some workout shoes. Why are my legs looking so skinny at the bottom? Oh my gosh, that looks so funny. But I got these workout shoes. See, my legs ain't that doggone skinny. I don't know why I ain't looking like that in the camera. I got these cute little Nikes. And I'm about to get back to it because your girl has been slacking. Let me look at these legs. Look at that. Why my legs look so skinny? Look. My legs are not that freaking skinny. Look, you see? I don't know what this camera doing. I don't know. But look. I'll see y'all later. Oh.
Take your time, what's the rush?
This is what I have left. I don't have my sofa. I got rid of that. And I'm keeping these 2 chairs right here because I'm going to make me a little social area in my new place. And I got all these boxes and everything. I got rid of my nightstands and all that. So this is where I'm at. This is why my brain has been like cluttered, because I don't feel organized, and I hate when I don't feel organized. So I'm trying to keep it together. Today I'm gonna be focusing on this closet. Believe it or not, I've already gotten 50% of the stuff out of this closet, and it still looks really packed. So I tried to keep stuff that I would wear during this month in here, but I'm going to start getting rid of more. I'm going to start packing more of the stuff in this box, getting all the stuff out the top of this closet out. I got the stuff out the top of that side. So that's what I'm working on today. Cooking some fish. I got some broccoli back there, some rice, and some fresh corn on the cob. So that's what I'm gonna eat today. What Brianna brought me when I got to work today. A little butterfly keychain. She knows I love butterflies. So that was so sweet. Seeing everybody on Instagram with these jeans at Walmart. I can't find my size. I'm so mad. But there's supposed to be like different ones. So I'm gonna go see. These look okay. I don't know if I want cargo jeans, but I really like those. But they just got ones that are too big or too small. These jeans are cute, except they have this big gap. I'm about to get the iPhone 17. I'm running out of storage and I need a new iPhone anyway, so. I'm getting the green one because they only have the green and the purple one left, and I am not getting the purple one. So I'm excited to use the new features that they have in here. My inspo. It looks dark on this camera. I don't know why, but it's not that dark. I'll show y'all mine when I'm done.
As small as a mustard seed, you can say to this mountain.
Oh, my grandbaby, sweetie petite. She look like she want to cry. Yes, she is. Hey y'all. So today I'm headed to Joint. I need to cancel my subscription. I had this subscription for months and I always forget to use it. Like, since I've had the subscription, I only use it like once or twice, and they charge me every month. So I'm gonna cancel that subscription and just go when I can remember to go. I also have like a few errands that I'm gonna be running. I gotta get newspaper to wrap all my perfume bottles and box them up. I gotta go return some packages to UPS store, and I also gotta pick up my clothes from the cleaner. So, and I gotta do a little bit of grocery shopping. So that's what I'm doing today. Days before I move now, and so I'm going to Hobby Lobby to check and see if they have anything in here. I'm kind of concerned that I might find too many things I like, and then I want to come home with them. I shouldn't even be going in here, but I am. So we're about to see what they got. You know, they already ready for Christmas. Got all this stuff. All the fall decor is 40% off. I'm about to go check out some of the Christmas. Oh, they got some pretty pumpkins. So let me see. I already have a tree that I just bought last year, so I'm not buying a new tree this year. Got some. Oh, the ornaments are 50% off. Let me see what they got. Got some good stuff. I feel like I can. This is a vase. And I could put some flowers or something in there. That's cute. I also like this books. I could sit that like on my coffee table. And this is like a little house tissue box. I don't know if I like that now. But they got some good stuff. And this 50% off. So these books are just $10. I think I'm gonna get the book. I'm getting something like this to hold my remote control. They got all kinds. I like that they look so antique. But that's the one I like. I got my Sonic Ice. I got me 2 bags this time. So I'm not getting a bunch. Just really want to get some fruits, veggies. That's basically what I got here. Some fish and some stuff to make sandwiches. I like whiting fish, and I usually get it from Walmart. I don't know if they have it here at HEB. So I might just get salmon. Oh, but I'm not getting a bunch because I move in a few days and I don't want to pack a whole bunch of food with me. So I don't have a bunch in my fridge. I just want to get something to cook and eat now. I got some mesquite turkey, boar's head, and I also got the spicy one, the spicy turkey from Boar's Head. And I got this Chipotle Gouda cheese that I'm gonna try. See how that goes. So I'm gonna see if I can find me a couple wines. I want to try something different this time. And y'all know I like a sweet wine. I was looking at this one. It says highly rated. It's in a little skinny bottle. To get coffee table books. I end up finding this one, and I'm gonna get this one. Look, this is discounted. Read more, save more.